back, world art of kitchen. So today I'm going to show you the one of the best recipe of green chili halwa. Yes, you have heard in right. I'm going to show you the recipe of chili ka halwa. This is the green chili we can use in this recipe. So let's start. I will sharing the ingredients for. So in this we require for green chili. So first I'm going to show you the difference of the green chili. You can see in outside of the market you can get this type of chili. Okay, so this is the very small size, so you can avoid for making of halwa, you can use in this type of chili. You can see the difference of the chili. So I can prefer of making of this halwa for in this type of chili, because inside of this chili is very less of spices in chili, and this chili is very spices, so that's why we can avoid this chili. Okay, and after that we can use in clarified butter like desi ghee, and we can use semolina like suji, and we can use mawa like khoya, and the rest we can use alum. You can say this is the fatkari. In the other language we can call in fatkari, guys. So why adding the fatkari like alum, you can decrease the chili inside of the chili, so that's why we can use in alum. Okay, and the rest ingredients we can use in sugar. uh, for garnish we can use in dry fruit inside of raisin, almonds and cashew nuts. So you can see the whole ingredients which are required of making a chili ka halwa. I will show you the further process. So first we can remove the inside of the seeds of the chili. So first we can cut the chili like here. You can slit the chili with the helping of knife. You can see. First you can slit the chili and you can open the chili like this, and you can remove the seeds like inside of the chili with the helping of knife. Yeah, you can use also a spoon. Okay, and you can cut the bottom of the chili. Make sure you can remove the old seed inside of the chili. Okay, so you can see we can get this type of pieces, and we can do the old pieces the same. So you can see, guys, after removing the seeds inside of chili, we can get this type of chili, and after that we can grind into the mixie. So we can put all chili into the mixie jar, and do not add water. Okay, do not add water. If you add the water, so your chili consistency after grinding are very thin. Okay, so make sure when you grind the chili, so do not add water. Okay, now grind it. You can do the grind like this. Okay, so now we can check the consistency of the chili. You can see the consistency of chili. So this type of consistency we required, guys. You can see. So this type of consistency we required of chili. We do not require of fine paste of chili, guys, because so that when we eat the chili ka halwa, so it should be now that we eating of the chili ka halwa, because the some people is not now what is this. So that's why we can use in very not found paste of the chili. Okay, so now we can put the whole chili into the bowl, because we know that this is the chili ka halwa, but when we serve to the guests for this halwa, so they do not know what is this. So that's why we need this type of consistency of chili. So when we eat, so we should know this is the chili ka halwa. Okay, so after grinding, you can see, guys, we can this type of consistency we can use. Okay, so let's start. I will show you the further process. So first we can heat the wok. First switch on the gas. Then add clarified butter like desi ghee. So first we will melt the ghee. Okay, so when the ghee is melt proper, so then I'm going to add a chili paste. Now I'm going to add chili paste. Mix well. To cook the chili, when the chili is leave the oil, like in clarified butter, so we will cook till when the clarified butter is separate of the chili. So you can see now the timing is, now you can see the chilies leave the clarified butter. You can see the clarified butter is leave of chili. So now the timing is adding for the rest of ingredients, like we can use a little bit of semolina like shuji, and mix well. So now the timing is adding for sugar. We can use in sugar powder and mix well again. So now I'm going to add the alum powder like fatakari powder, so that the your chili inside of the green chili inside of the degraze. Okay, so that's why we can use the alum powder. And mix well properly. Now I'm going to add a cardamom powder. So while adding the cardamom powder, you can enhance the flavor of your halwa. Okay, so that's why we can use in a cardamom powder. And mix well. We will cook till when your halwa consistency is thickened consistency. Okay, we can cook again for minimum 20 minutes on a simmer flame. You can see the nice color. So now adding for khoya in the last stage. We can add khoya and mix well. Now guys, you can see the consistency of our halwa is thickness, very thick. Now the consistency is halwa is thickness. So now the timing is adding for dry fruits and mix well. You can see the nice consistency of halwa. So approximate our halwa is ready. So now switch off the gas. Now I will show you the plating of chili halwa. So now put halwa in a bowl. So you can see the nice color. So after that we can do the tempering. We can add the roasted almonds, cashew nuts. Now for tempering, first switch on the gas and we will take this type of ladles for the tempering ladles. Then add clarified butter, a little bit of clarified butter like desi ghee, and first melt the ghee. Okay. So now adding dry fruits like almonds, cashew nuts and raisin. Then add curry leaves. So this is the tempering for chili ka halwa. switch off the gas. Now we can add on the top of dry nuts like almonds, cashew nuts and the curry leaves. Then adds almond. So see, this is the presentation of chili ka halwa. You can see how's the look like of chili ka halwa. This is the very nice color. I hope you well understood while watching this video. So thank you so much guys. I hope you well understood while watching this video the how you will make in chili ka halwa. So this is the very easy recipe. You can also use this recipe and you can try this recipe on your home. So thank you so much guys.